Brian Bowersock, the Automan here, and today we're talking about updating software on your vehicle. Often in today's age, updating software is a necessity when it comes to drivability concerns, safety concerns, and any other concerns related to a vehicle that have to do with electronic control of it. Back in the older days, when vehicles left the factory, often that he had nothing else to do with it unless there was a major problem. Today, almost everything on your vehicle is electronically controlled. From updating software on the PCM can often control things such as drivability concerns when it comes to fuel control and engine management, throttle body control, ABS concerns, airbag issues, and almost anything that's electronically controlled. We will often change the stipulations and settings on curves of software to make things operate properly. The only way to do this properly is by having the factory equipment available to you. The West Automotive Group keeps all the factory equipment so that we're able to download and update software on your vehicle. Often vehicles will have software updates on a regular basis. To do so, you must bring your vehicle to a qualified technician to have it done properly.
Join the Automan next Friday at 9 a.m. following News 8 Morning Extra on the CW. Plus, you can listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on AM 760 KFNB.